music is that I hear. Something to try and make you feel at home.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here we are with the second episode of Andaman series. Today we will be visiting. Oh wait, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, then go press the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? And do press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video on my channel. Come on you guys, the wait has to stop. Let's do it quickly. So today we are at Ross Island. To come here, local ferries are a very good option. First, they aren't that expensive, and second, they don't take as much time, so they are a pretty good option. Here in Ross Island, there were entry tickets of 30 rupees per person for all the visitors above the age of 5 years. Do you know that Ross Island has been renamed by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in 2018, and its new name is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island. After reaching here, as we were only given 2 to 3 hours to visit the island, so we booked these mini rides to show us around.
Peacock.
As the island has been abandoned in 1940s because of an earthquake, so it is devoid of any inhabitants ever since, other than deers, peacock and other wildlife, making this island quite beautiful. This island is also famous for its historic colonial time ruins, which are almost 80 years old. One of them was this old abandoned structure which had a lot of creepers and vines growing from its walls, roots coming out of its walls, which seemed like witches' claws. Wonder how scary this place would look at night. After this one, we found another important structure of colonial times, which was Troopers Barracks. This old building has a large rectangular veranda, which has many entrance doors leading to a common giant room. For those of you who don't know what Troopers Barracks are, in Troopers Barracks, troopers or laborers are housed in order to train them. So in colonial times, Britishers or Japanese who had control of this island, they used to put all the people of this place in these barracks and used to train them for military and other reasons. So after having a look at all these ruins of colonial times, we finally went to the beach to have a look at the lighthouse we have been waiting for so long to see. Now the distance between the top and to reach the beach is almost 10 minutes, but after walking for a couple of minutes, you could get a good glimpse of the sea, of the lighthouse and of the statue as well. See, you could clearly see the lighthouse from here. The view from here was just so spectacular as some waves were splashing over the rocks and some were over the bridge connecting the statue of that lone sailor and the staircase. While standing at the bridge, the waves were looking so beautiful crashing against the shore. And look at the collision. It is seeming as if the clouds are merging inside the sea, and these giant rocks, the water splashing against them, it was just so splendid. It was so beautiful. Here comes the most famous attraction of Ross Island, the statue of Lone Sailor. This statue has been made to honor all those who put up gallant acts in sea and did not return. It has been made in context with 1971 war. After taking pictures with the statue and with the lighthouse, we went to the beach and had some fun.
देख के चलो। चप्पल यहीं रोक दो, चप्पल यहीं उतार दो शिवानी, यहाँ पे। कैसा है पानी? ठंडा है? नॉर्मल है वैसे ना। उधर ही रहो, क्या हुआ? इतना बड़ा कहाँ ले जाएंगे? ले जाना है? और आगे थोड़ा सा और, बस।
So finally, after coming from the beach, we still could not let go of this view from our side. So we stood here at the bridge for some more time. So after the Ross Island visit, another beautiful island was waiting for us with a lot more adventures to come. So let's dive in. It's Ross Island and North Bay Island. Both the islands are particularly very small islands and famous for few particular things only. So we decided to cover both of them on a single day, and for that we booked a single ferry. So now all of you know that we are gonna go to North Bay Island, which is famous for its water activities, specifically parasailing, and now we're gonna have some fun. So while we were here at the North Bay Island, we tried our first water activity, that was parasailing, flying in the open sky, tied to a parachute at almost 50 to 60 meters above the sea level. The feeling can never be described. felt like I was actually flying in this open vast sky and this giant sea is beneath me. This whole experience was on another level. Everything was appearing so small, even the motorboat carrying me. The activity isn't risky at all, so it's a must from my side. The charges were minimum at this island, so it costed us around 3,000 per person. So I would definitely recommend this a must if you are here at the North Bay Island. After having our adventure of the day at the North Bay Island, we came back to Port Blair and rode to Wandur Beach, which is famous for its sunset viewpoint. So apart from Cellular Jail and Corbin Cove's beach, Wandur Beach is one of the most beautiful sights to see in Port Blair.
देखिए कितना सुंदर लग रहा है यहाँ से सनसेट होने वाला है ऑलमोस्ट। यहाँ पे बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी शॉप्स और बहुत सारे एसेसरीज आप ले सकते हैं यहाँ से। हम बस आए हुए हमें 15 मिनट्स हो गए, ऑलमोस्ट 15-20 मिनट्स, एंड अब हम चलेंगे यहाँ से क्योंकि यहाँ से हमारा जो होटल है वो ऑलमोस्ट 35 किलोमीटर्स अवे है एंड हमें लेट हो जाएगा, तो इस वजह से हमें जल्दी निकलना पड़ेगा। तो चलिए चलते हैं। वहाँ पे हम लोग चाय पियेंगे।
So that was it for day 2 in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So let's take some tea break. Bye. But until then, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified for every next video.